This 2020 Winnebago Micro Mini 1708FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 19 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, TV, oven, LP detector, stovetop burner, skylight, smoke detector, spare tire kit, external shower, water heater, leveling jacks, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Winnebago Micro Mini 1708FB is 3,360 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.